This is the installation procedure for the water sensor that we install. These are the tools and devices that are needed. This is half an inch to 3/8 inch part number 102 water supply line that connects from our sensor to the supply line of the sink. That's the device. That is the key for the shut-off valve, and we need the wrench for opening and closing. At this installation, they do have a 3/8 of an inch supply line that goes from the water inlet to the sink. Our sensor is an half an inch sensor, so that's why you need these additional supply lines to make it work.
You insert the key here and you turn it till it stops.
So
That's the hot water.
this is the hot water. This is an auto faucet, and we are installing the sensor on the hot water line.
No water coming out. We're good to go. You remove the water line first, and you put it, the arrow pointing up to the faucet. That's the way it's going to go to this end.
So what is that piece, Javier?
Male to a female. This is a male to male.
Yeah. That piece is used to connect the two supply lines, the one from the sink to the one from the sensor.
So as you can see, this is very long. So we're just gonna loop it around this, but you have to be careful with this. You just loop it around a couple of times. Back to here. You can do it by hand, and then after that's just a few turns, not too tight. Now you're ready with the sensor. You turn the sensor, and then you connect it.
Show them how you connect it.
We have to go the red to this. This is not marked, but oh yeah, it is red to red. See the red? There's a red dot right there, and there's a red cable. You connect them like this, and you can see it. It has to go from these two are the same.
And there is one empty.
These are solid black.
There's one empty pin
One empty
on the
pin
right hand
to
side.
the right.
Yeah. Okay.
And now I'm gonna check. Now you open the water because we're all set. You open the water. It's usually about 6 turns or 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. So each installation could be different. So you just have to keep track of how many turns you did
5.
when you closed it, and do the same when you open it.
So when the water's flowing, this should turn blue. The light. Right now it's not lit, so let's try it. And there it goes. Okay, so that's one count. And then you wait about 6 seconds. And you do it again. And there, that's working now. This is a working sensor. And that's it, folks. Now we're gonna put this on here. So this one already has double-sided tape. And it's always best. Just kind of wipe it down a little bit.
There might be some dust on the wall, so to make sure that the double-sided tape sticks properly.
You remove the liner. And by the way, this is a very high bond tape, VHP they call it. And this is a 40 mil gray DHB. And then you press hard to make sure it's on there good. You stop it. So as you can see, the wires are kind of hanging down. You don't want to leave this like that. You have to tuck it in somehow. And this is what I do to make it nice and clean. I pulled it up. And then I put gaffer's tape. So it doesn't fall down. Okay. That's pretty much it. That's it.
That's it. Installation of the water sensor is done.